Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Anfield, and a couple of weeks ago I ended my expansion updates because there's nothing to see, literally. All the seats were in, so now I'm doing Liverpool Football Club Anfield Taylor Swift transformation updates. So yeah, well, we're going to get off the ground, see if anything's going on. Taylor Swift, a gig start here next week. So how much are you doing? 3 or 4 is it? Can't remember now. So I'll get over, see if anything's going on. And he is, you can see it already. There's no pitch. It reminds me of when the Anfield Road roof come off. Right, let's get over and have a good look. Look at that. Now, with this, is it like when the roof did come off and they covered the pitch and then they had to replace the pitch? Or is it like what Wembley have? And they have like little tiny holes in so the grass can breathe. It doesn't look like what Wembley had when I went there for a concert one time. Okay, so I'll have a little look in the car park and let's just have a good look around and see what's going on. So everything's obviously coming in this corner where it came in for the roof coming off. But yeah, it's all hands to the pump here in for getting this ready. Now am I right in thinking that the stage will be at the Annie Roads end still? That wouldn't make sense, would it really? But I don't know. Yeah, stage is going there. Look, they took all seats out. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of seats gone there. Okay. What's this putting down here then? I can't quite make out if that white's going on top of the grey or the grey's going on top of the white. But yeah, it stays as those go on the Annie Road end, which to me doesn't make a lot of sense. You'd put it at the Cop, wouldn't you? And try and sell the hospitality seats in the Annie Road. That makes more sense, but no. I'm trying to work out what this white is. It's just a walkway around. It won't be a walkway around the outside, will it? Or is that for helping the grass breathe and then you put the grey stuff on top of that? I don't know. Any help, guys, would be appreciated. But yeah, this is interesting now. It just reminds me of when in the summer when the roof come off. What's all this down here? They covered the pitch up and then they started cutting the roof off. Can't quite make out what all this is. But yeah, I'll be here every day to keep tabs on it, see what's going on. Yeah, so the stage will go onto the terrace in a bit and then come out onto the pitch. I'm not too sure what the setup's going to be. I don't know if it's going to be a walkway to the middle of the pitch or what, but I suppose that'll become more apparent as this goes on. Let's move round to the car park area. Let's see if we can see anything down here. There's something going in there. Okay, let's try and catch him going in. Am I wrong? Is he not going in? Is he hiding from me? Is that what it was, that then? What is it? Can we see what it is? No, I'll probably be able to make it out on a bigger screen, just can't make it out on this. Yeah, you got 6 to go. Let me know what you think about it. You're excited to see Taylor Swift? If I'm being honest, I don't know anything about her. Couldn't name a song by her. But I'll be here every day watching this, well, keeping tabs on this, filming the stage going up, stuff like that. What else can I do? I'll be here on the days of the gigs, filming the atmosphere outside, and I'll even try and get some drone footage, which I have an idea what to do to get it. I'm sorry if I'm making you sick, guys, as well by all the spinning around. I'm just trying to see things, that's all. Let's go back in the car park. I know my own mum gets motion sickness watching these videos. The tractors are there. Okay. There's not a lot on the outside, is there? So what we were told that this walkway into the park would lead straight through to the Shankly gates for access for VIPs from the car park to the grounds, which it does match up. I wonder if that's what'll happen. Yeah, I can't see much on the outside of the car park down here, ain't in there. No, it's just a couple of vans there. Nope, I don't know, guys. But I'll be back tomorrow and I will have a look and see if there's any more progress on what's happening. It's funny that. No sooner do you put the seats in, you have to take them out again. That's the thing that came in before, wasn't it? That was following. How fast it goes. Camera's struggling to keep up. Come on, you got this. Come on, camera, you got this. There we go. That's going back out. There it comes. Right, we'll lead then to it. Let's just zoom out and get my bearings here. So we dropped off something over this side here. Anyone, any expertise in this area, let me know, because I know nothing. I learned a lot from you guys during the build, and I'm relying on you again to educate me on this now. Yeah, so it looks like a massive project that you have to do there, so I'm going to leave it there. I might come back tonight and get some fuzzes tonight when they've all gone home, because my lad's playing football on Stanley Park tonight. He's got a friendly, so yeah, I'll come along and I'll bring the drone, see how footage you can get. But apart from that, guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. Leave me a comment to let me know what you think about what's going on here. Thumbs up as well if you like this. You know, I find this interesting. I think change the football stadium into a concert venue. But yeah, thanks for watching. Speak to you all soon. Bye now.